Good morning, folks. It's Harry Swaminathan. It's July 24th, 8:30 a.m. I'm looking at BIDU also. Facebook doesn't really look very attractive in terms of premiums, but I'm looking at BIDU, and BIDU's releasing also after market today. Now, if you just look at the previous two earnings reports, the first one here, it came down from 93 to about 83. Before that, it had a bigger fall from 108 all the way down to 95, so about 94. So about 14 points there and about 10 points here. So what I'm thinking for BIDU is we take a, it's not a very high reward trade, but I think we can expect it to move about 10 points. Even if you look at the expected move, it's plus or minus about 8 points. On the weeklies itself. So what we want to do, I think I want to go out to the August, and like I said, it's not a high reward trade, and it's fairly low risk as well. So, and we'll have time to adjust if the trade is not working out. But basically, we're going to go long the Strangle. So here you can see the volatility is only 46, so we're not going to face much of a vol crush on that series. And I think the 40s are generally, 39 to 44 is the normal range for BIDU. So we might get a couple of points of vol crush, but not more than that. So given that, I think we can go in. Right now BIDU is around 110. So we go in for a long Strangle at 120 and 100. So, what is the basis of this trade? The basis is that we can expect about a 10-point move today on BIDU after results. So, from here, if we can, and over the next few days, it might move in the same direction some more. So basically, we want to capitalize on this move that we are expecting from BIDU. But at the same time, we don't want to play the weeklies or anything closer to that. So we're going to pay a debit of 3.21 for this Strangle. And even if we can come out with about 4.5, I think that would be a pretty decent 30% return on this trade. And of course, we have time. So what we can, even if the trade doesn't, if BIDU doesn't move too much, then we'll either close it for a loss, a small loss. Maybe we'll lose. We can still pick up about at least $2 out of this 321, I think, because there's still quite a bit of time left. So, but I think if we can get about an 8 to 10 point move on BIDU, one of these options are going to be nicely priced and should be in a position to overwhelm the other option. So this is what I'm suggesting. But like I said, this is not some high probability trade. It's a low risk trade and probably lower reward as well. So, even if we can come out with about 10 to 20% on this trade, I think that would be fine. So if anybody wants to put this trade, you can go in. Thank you.